You can start whenever you like, Chrissy. You tell me when you've started.
I've started.
Hello everybody, today we're going to be spinning beehives on our suspended drop spindle. So I've just started off with the leader. We want to wind it on so it's quite short. I like to go around twice so it's a little bit more stable. Now we're going to build up lots of twist. We're going to park the spindle. Want a bit of tension on it. And I'm going to split the drafting triangle. Now over here I have made a cigar shape for our beehive. Right, I'm going to attach it by lying it down in our drafting triangle that we've split. Now hopefully there's a little bit of twist in there, a little bit of vegging there. That'll help wrap this around. Okay, the twist is not happening, but that's alright. Let's add a bit more. And hopefully we pull it in. There we go, there's the twist. Right, so we pre-draft that. Down there. Right, now this is going to be a lot of manual wrapping. So we're going to get our cigar and we're going to twist it. Keep continuously twisting it. Now I'm going to put a little bit more twist in. If we pull that tight, the twist should go into the single. And here's our beehive forming. So it's more of a fold twist. Now when I get to the end, I do try and put more twist in it so that we can get a nice finish on our beehive. On the wheel, we could keep treadling and we get a nice twist, but we have to do it by hand, this method. Now I want to pre-draft that so it's a little bit finer. Get this here and wrap it round to secure the beehive. Bit more twist in there. All this over twist will be taken off as we spin after the beehive. Right, so the trick with wrapping these on is go low and then up high so that we can protect our beehive. And there we have it.